Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to replace Spectrum modem battery backup unit steps and troubleshooting. Option A, older internal modem batteries, EMTA/voice modems. If you have a landline phone service modem with an internal battery bay, unplug the modem's AC power cord from the wall outlet, then locate the battery compartment door on the bottom or side of the modem and slide or pop it open. Then use the pull tab or gently dislodge the lithium-ion battery pack straight out and align the plastic guides on your new battery pack with the slots inside the bay. Slide it in without excessive force until it clicks onto place. Then snap the battery door back on, plug the power cord back into the wall and wait 2 to 5 minutes for the lights to steady. Option B for newer external battery backup units, Invincible Wi-Fi. Remove the power cord running from the wall to the battery backup unit and the power cord running from the unit to your router. Then set aside the degraded external unit. Spectrum usually replaces the entire standalone BBU piece rather than the internal cell. Now attach the new power cables, plug the router's power cable directly into the battery unit and plug the battery unit into the electrical outlet. How to reboot a modem with a battery backup. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet and remove the internal backup battery completely. Then wait for at least 15 to 30 seconds with all power sources removed and reinsert the battery pack, then plug the AC power cord back into the wall. LED light troubleshooting guide. Solid red. It means that uncharged or failed unit. Action to take: if newly installed, wait for 24 hours to fully charge, and if it still stays red, the battery is dead and needs replacing. Flashing red and white means overheating or error. So unplug the battery unit, connect your router directly to the wall power supply, move the battery to a cool, ventilated, dry area for 3 hours before retrying. Pulsing or easing blue means normal charging state. This Here no action is required. The system is actively charging the unit up to 100% capacity. No LED light means no power flow. So check that all the electrical cords are tightly secured at both the ends. Try an alternative wall outlet. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.